welcome back to my channel. It's on a Saturday, the 12th December, and I'm just chilling. Crusty AF. I'm feeling so lazy. It's ridiculous. It's a minute to 4, and I've just been shifting from the bed to the seat, from the seat to the bed, staying in the bed for hours, scrolling on my social media TL. So I want to get useful a little bit, like, hey, did I just say a little? I want to get useful a little bit by doing laundry, and yeah, it's just laundry I'm going to do right now because there's nothing else I can do, and I will finish the rest tomorrow. Yeah. Oh, and I am trying to do some balcony farming. I've had an onion, whatever's for some time, but they're not doing so well. I don't know why, and I've been watering them every few days. So the other day I got rosemary stalks, and I want to, rather, I've already put them in a jar of water, waiting for the whatever's to spring. What do you call them? Um, the roots to spring, and then is it to spring? To sprout. The roots to sprout, and then I can transfer them to a jar with soil. Yeah, let me show you. So these are my plants, or is it my stalks of rosemary. I've put them in these yogurt tumbler. Yeah, in water. I saw someone. I never knew that you plant them by just putting them in a jar of water and waiting for the roots to sprout. So when I saw someone say it on Twitter, I thought I should try. So there we go. Excuse me, gosh, I'm having a sore throat and my chest is not feeling so good. I don't know whether it's corona, but God forbid. So I'm placing them up here because I have boys around here and I don't want them to keep on tampering with my jar. And here is my onion plants. You can see they're so dry. I don't know what's happening because I keep on watering them. If I've just watered them right now, as you can see. So I think I'll just get some more and put them in a new jar. And I've got some soil over here. The lighting is so horrible. Anyway, that's about my day, and that's my balcony. As you can see, we cannot put any nice carpets or anything because water containers and place to do laundry and stuff. So yep, that's about it. And those are my son's feet. How cute is my t-shirt? Ain't it just the cutest? So it's currently, I think it's 10 or something. Yeah, it's currently 1 minute to 10, and I'm done with laundry, but I still have some undone because laundry be getting on my last nerve nowadays. I generally hate household chores, but laundry of late is just sapping the life out of me. So I finally put a finger on what brought about the chest pains. I remembered um I took a cold shower yesterday in the morning, and yep, that's why I woke up with a cough and heavy chest. So I've bought a cough syrup, I've bought some cetirizine. It's an antihistamine. But I don't have a running nose, just a dry cough and a heavy chest. So I should be alright in the next few days. And note to myself, I should stop taking cold showers. Although I don't take cold showers, I try to avoid them as much as possible because I know I know what I end up um, getting myself into. But yeah, it's just like those people who have lactose intolerance, but they still keep on eating and taking something things that contain milk. And speaking of lactose intolerance, I finally decided to ditch tea, and I haven't had a bloated stomach in the last 3 4 days. I don't remember when I stopped taking tea, but it's in the course of this week. And once I stopped taking tea, um I haven't had a bloated stomach, and I don't know why it took me so long to finally ditch tea. Because initially I used to just um put tea in my cup, then add put tea halfway in my cup, then add water the other half, and it was such, I don't want to say tasteless tea, but I liked it somehow because, well, my tummy. So last week I decided I think I am done with a bloated tummy, and here we are. So I am either taking black coffee or black tea or Milo. Yeah, and I'm good. I'm good to go. So yeah, I'm about to go to bed and call it a night, or is it a day? So did you know you can use a candle or scented candles or just normal candles as air fresheners, especially in your toilet when you're doing number two? Because because you can't stand the air fresheners, or you're allergic to strong smells, so you just light your candle and put it maybe on the cistern or wherever you have space, and do your number two, and you you will not smell the smells. So I am going to end this vlog here. I hope you've learned something, or you've picked something, and see you tomorrow, the other day. See you around. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. Please, you guys are just watching and you're not subscribing, and you're not leaving a comment. The comments and the subscription are what makes my channel grow, and I would really appreciate if you engage a little bit, so that Google or YouTube can keep on recommending my videos to more people. Oh, and I hope you share with your friends. And yeah, see you around. Bye. And good night or good morning, depending on whatever time you watch it. Bye.